When we type Kundalini Yoga in search engines, we are flooded with the hundreds of images of human bodies with 7 chakras. Most articles describe what each energy chakra does, but the treatment of the subject is vague and many articles are contradictory to each other. Moreover, I have not come across a single article which relates the names of the chakra to what they stand for. In Tamil, every word has a meaning as per Tolkappiyam, which says, Ella chollum porul kurittanave, meaning every word should have its meaning, and hence each chakra should have been named with a meaning. However, no one has done the etymology of the names of the chakras. One more abysmal and universal stupidity is that the chakras are colored after the rainbow. What has the rainbow got to do with the Kundalini? No one has bothered to explain, but universally the rainbow colors are used to designate the colors of chakra across the globe. The fact is that the chakras were philosophically related to some colors in the ancient times, and these colors actually were the 7 colors of Asivagam, a Tamil's contribution. When the Indo-Aryans destroyed Asivagam, they replaced the 7 colors of Asivagam with the 7 colors of rainbow, solely to bury the truth and history. This practice had come to stay as the Indo-Aryans claimed Kundalini as a contribution, which the world believed. Hence, when we try to find the etymology of the word Kundalini, we are directed to sites that claim that it is a Sanskrit word and they simply state that it means coiled snake. Absurd. The Kundalini Yoga raises the dormant energy through the labyrinth of crisscrossing Ida and Pingala nadis, straddling the Susma nadi at each chakra. Ida and Pingala are the nadis of opposite kinds, and hence they are pictorially depicted away from each other, except at the chakras which they control, and they finally merge at the third eye chakra to which they belong. This intertwined depiction of Ida and Pingala nadi around the Susma nadi was metaphorized as intertwined snakes, and hence the rising of Kundalini energy was metaphorized as rising the coiled serpents. Hence, Kundalini does not mean coiled snake, and it has a different meaning which we shall see soon. We shall understand these things better as we proceed further. Many sources which try to analyze Sanskrit words etymologically end up simply stating their understood meaning rather than breaking down the word and explaining the roots. It goes the same with the names associated with Kundalini Yoga. In the short thesis, I would establish the true etymological origin of these words and show them to be Tamil words. After all, Kundalini was developed by ancient Tamil Asivaga Siddhas, and the Indo-Arya Brahmins had nothing to do with it. When we prove them to be Tamil words, we are blessed with a dividend which is the proper understanding of the Kundalini Yoga system in its true perspective. Hence, this thesis, which is published as 2 videos of 15 minutes long, are very important videos and I request you to watch them fully. I am restricting the scope of this video to etymologically analyzing the key words related to Kundalini, analyzing the origin and meaning of the names of the 7 chakras, and establishing the true philosophical colors of the 7 chakras. To make this video as short as possible, etymology of chakra had been presented in another short video titled Chakra, a Tamil word. You shall kindly watch it. The Western scholars, when they do not find roots of words of Western languages in Greek or Latin, try tracing it in Sanskrit only, and no one consider even remotely the possibility of Tamil as root. Hence, they are not able to touch the real root of words most of the times. This is because they have not realized that all languages, including Sanskrit, Latin, and Greek, originally evolved from ancient Tamil. It goes the same with the philosophy also. They try to ascribe the Eastern philosophy only to Sanskrit, while the real philosophical roots of the world emanated from ancient Tamil civilization. Sanskrit, which is actually the North Indian dialect of Tamil, evolved around the times of Buddha as a liturgical language for preaching Buddhism. With the advent of Mahayana Buddhism, engineered by the Arya Brahmins, and with the brutal destruction of the original Buddhism, Sanskrit became the vehicle of Mahayana Buddhism, and hence it came under the possession of Brahmins. Following the peculiar pronunciation of the original Tamil words of Sanskrit by the Arya Brahmins, the language took a non-Indian phonetic pattern, and hence it was easy for the Arya Brahmins to claim its origin. The Arya Brahmins translated majority of Tamil literature into Sanskrit, often destroying the originals, and suitably edited its content to suit their political agenda for over 2 millennia in the past. Considering the vast corpus of the Sanskrit literature, the West thought that the Sanskrit literature was original and ancient, and so does the language Sanskrit. It is contrary to the reality. Tamil has the purest form of all the Sanskrit words, and I would publish a detailed video on the origin of Sanskrit soon. Kundalini Yoga achieves the awakening of the dormant energies residing at the Kundi through the 5 energy chakras and making them merge at the 6th head chakra to experience eternal bliss, and to communicate with the cosmic wisdom through the seventh chakra. It is also defined as awakening of the female energy, called Shakti, residing at Kundi, through the chakras and uniting with the male energy, called Shiva, at the sixth chakra, achieving the eternal bliss and communicating with the astral world through the seventh chakra. In Tamil literature, sexual orgasm between male and female is called Chitrinbam, meaning insignificant pleasure, and the merging of the female and male energy due to Kundalini Yoga is called Perinbam, meaning divine or larger happiness. In fact, the English word spirituality itself is of Tamil origin, and it originated from the Tamil word for sperm. Sperm in Tamil is called Vindu or Vittu, meaning seed. Vittu would deform to Pittu, a well-known deformation. When Aryans pronounce it, Pittu becomes Prittu with an addition of Aryan-specific R sound and prefixing with the standard Western sound S, it is pronounced as Spiritu, which finally becomes spirit. I have already said that the dormant energy is residing at the Kundi. The Kundi here refers to a place located at the bottom of the spinal cord. That place is called Kundi because this place in the body has many bowels. One is the uterus of the females, and the other is the rectum, which is common for both males and females. A bowl is called Kundi or Kundal in Tamil, as for instance, the vessel shown is called Kundan and is called so to this day for thousands of years. That is why the bottom part of a human body is called Kundi or Kundal in Tamil. It is equally applied to female sex organ and also to rectum. Kundi is called Chalice in English. Chalice is a word of Tamil origin. For instance, the well water harnessing vessel shown is called Chal or Sal in Tamil, from which the English word Chalice evolved. The Tamil word Inimai means well-being, happiness, pleasure, etc. The yogic bliss we obtain from the Kundal derives its name as shown. Kundal plus Inimai, Kundalinimai, Kundalini. Pleasure out of Kundal is the meaning of the word Kundalini. This is the etymology of the word Kundalini. Regarding Kundalini Yoga, three nadis are of immense importance. They are Susuma Nadi, Ida Nadi, and Pingala Nadi. I would describe their functions and etymology of their names in the second part of this video after discussing the chakras. The eye-like structure in the brain, located between the left and right lobes in the middle, consists of the three glands. They are thalamus, pituitary gland, and pineal gland. These are the endocrine glands considered to be part of the sixth chakra, which control five other major endocrine glands like adrenal gland, ovary and testis, pancreas, thymus, and thyroid glands, which are linked to the five lower chakras respectively. The eye-like structure is called third eye for three reasons. By controlling the other glands of the body, they are overseeing, overseeing the proper functioning of the body and hence called the third eye. The second reason is that the pineal gland that is situated at the retinal region of the metaphoric third eye actually senses light and controls the actual retina of the physical eye while controlling the biorhythm of the body also. The third reason is that the pineal gland produces DMT spirit molecule which connects us with the astral world leading to enlightenment. Hence, pineal gland is linked to both 6th and 7th chakra as we shall see. The endocrine system is the collection of glands, each of which secrete different types of hormones that regulate metabolism, growth and development, tissue function, sexual function, reproduction, sleep and mood, among other things. We shall now consider the 7 chakras, their name, color attribute and functions. The chakras are representing the glands which produce hormones that control the bodily functions for smooth functioning of the human body. They should be constantly active day and night, else we would be afflicted with diseases. As their constant and uninterrupted functioning is sought, they are metaphorically called as chakras in Tamil, which means wheel, as wheel is a symbol of movement and spinning wheel represents perpetual functioning. That is how the glandular functions were metaphorically represented by spinning chakras by ancient Tamils. The first chakra is situated at the base of the spinal cord. This is where the kundals called rectum or uterus are located. This chakra controls the adrenal gland. The adrenal gland produces hormones that are vital to life, such as cortisol, which helps regulate metabolism and helps our body respond to stress, and aldosterone, which helps control blood pressure. This chakra is called Mooladhara chakra. This word has two subwords, Moolam plus Adharam, Mooladharam. Moolam means origin, source or base in Tamil, and Adharam means support in Tamil. As this chakra offers the basic support functions of the body, like controlling the blood pressure, responding to external stress, and regulating the metabolism, it is called Mooladhara chakra appropriately. The color of this first chakra should have been black as per the Asivakam color concept. The word Moolam is origin, and origin of many things are in darkness. For instance, the origin of a plant is seed which is placed inside the soil in darkness. The embryo of mammals are growing in the dark womb of its mother. Hence, philosophically, Mooladhara chakra should be related to black color, and it is also the starting color of Asivakam. Hence, the present red color attribute of this chakra based on rainbow is absurd, and so for all other chakras. The next chakra is called Swadhisthana chakra, which lies above the Mooladhara chakra. This chakra controls ovary and testes, and hence is controlling the sex glands. The name Swadhisthana is made of three subwords as shown below. Sukkilam, Vadi, Tanam. Sukkilam, Vadi, Tanam. Suvadi, Tanam. Sukkilam in Tamil means sperm, Vadi means residing, and Tanam means place. Hence, the meaning of Swadhisthana chakra is chakra of the sperm residing place. The names Pakistan, Kurdistan have Tan in them, meaning place. Kurdistan means the place where blood-colored people live. Hence, the suffix Tan evolved from Tamil word Tanam, meaning place. Kalavadi means the person in whom fine arts reside, and it is another name of Saraswati. Even Saraswati actually means the goddess who resides near Peepul tree as per Tamil tradition, and Saraswati is Tamil goddess. Hence, Tamil word Vati means residing or manifesting. When Suvadithanam was pronounced by Indo-Aryans, it sounded as Swadhisthana, appending an S sound, just like Tamil Agathiyar became Agasthyar for the Indo-Aryans. Suvadithanam, Swadhisthana. That is how it sounded like an Aryan word, while it is a down-to-earth Tamil word. The color of the second chakra according to Asivakam should be blue, as it is the second color of Asivakam. We know that sex is often related to blue color. For instance, sex films are called blue films. The moonlight, which is bluish white, is related to love and sex. Hence, philosophically, Swadhisthana chakra should be attributed to blue color, and it is also fitting the color scheme of Asivakam, rightfully taking up its second color. In fact, sex should have been traditionally related to blue color, following Kundalini designation of color blue with the second chakra, which is the second color of Asivakam. The third chakra is located above the second chakra and in the abdomen where the pancreas is located. Pancreas plays an essential role in converting the food we eat into fuel for the body's cells. The pancreas has two main functions, an exocrine function that helps in digestion and an endocrine function that regulates blood sugar. These functions are sort of timekeeping functions. Food takes certain time to digest and we feel hungry after that. The diabetics are so worried that they should eat within certain time after injecting with insulin. Hence, the pancreas functions are like timekeeping functions of the body. The name of the third chakra associated with the pancreas is Manipuraham. This word is made of three subwords as shown here. Mani plus Purti plus Aham. Manipuraham. Mani means time in Tamil and is derived from temple bells. Tamils know of 6 time pujas, that is Arukala Pusai, every day. As per Tamil tradition, the year is divided into 6 equal periods or seasons of 60 days each and is called Perumpoluthu, meaning big period. The same way, each day is divided into 6 Sirupoluthu, which means small intervals. These daily periods are called Arukalam. They are Vaigarai, Kalai, Nanpagal, Erpadu, Malai, Yamam. Since pujas were performed at the same specific times every day, they indirectly announced the time of the day for the villages, as temple bells are sounded when pujas are performed. That is how the time is called Mani, which actually means bell in Tamil. It is the 6 time puja culture of ancient Tamils that went with the Arabs as 5 time prayer, leaving out the morning prayer at Kalai Kalam of Tamils. Purti means complete and Aham means body, and hence Manipuraham means timekeeper chakra of the entire body. The color of this third chakra would be green as per Asivakam, as it is the third color, and philosophically also it should be green. Everything that runs as per schedule is often signaled with green, and we can even cite the traffic and railway green signal as support data. This association of green color with a healthy and timely operating state might have been taken from agriculture, which is performed as per schedule based on the seasons of the year. Hence, the color of this chakra is consistent with both Asivakam color concept and with the philosophical realm. In this part, we have analyzed the etymology of Kundalini and the first 3 chakras. In the second part, we shall analyze the remaining 4 chakras and the Ida, Pingala and Susmanadi of Kundalini.